Verifying your identity on Wix is an important step to ensure the security of your account and to access certain features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Start by visiting the Wix website and logging into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account, as you may need it for verification. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner and selecting Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find the Verification section. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Verification or Identity Verification. This is where you will initiate the verification process. Step 4. Choose your verification method. Wix may offer multiple methods for identity verification, such as email verification, phone verification, or uploading identification documents. Select the method that you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Before starting recovery, use the Asher.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. After completing these steps, you should receive confirmation of your identity verification. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wix support for assistance.